Hey guys, so I'll be comparing the Oukitel WP26 with its successor, which is the WP28. It's going to be a specs comparison video. So this video is not enough to conclude that one device is better than the other in my opinion, but of course it's going to point out the key specs of both devices and you should be able to know which device is equipped with the best specs. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of these two rugged phones. So there we go guys, the WP28 versus the WP26. In my opinion, the WP26 is equipped with better specs. I was actually kind of disappointed that the successor of the WP28 is not as powerful as the WP26. The WP26 is a far better device in my opinion. It packs decent specs, a much more powerful processor, a camping light, a really bright flashlight at the rear, and many other cool specs like that. The WP28 is great, but like I mentioned earlier, the WP26 is still a far better rugged phone in my opinion. So I'd like to hear your thoughts about these two rugged phones. Which do you think is best in your opinion? Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.